So we put our new desk in. That came out of one of the feet and caused that hole on the ground.
What you doing?
I'm moving this thing so that we can put in a standing desk.
You got a helper?
It appears as such. I got a Ziploc bag so we can store all these screws.
So we found this. We've been looking at this stand-up disc from Costco for a while now, and all they had was white. But then we found this black one, and it matches much better in here because all the, accents are kind of black, and it's kind of sleek and manly. So we're going to see how it does.
Came with 3 bags, which to a network engineer, I love this, AABBCC, because that's what we spoof MAC addresses with. Anyway, if you're a network engineer, you know what I just said.
Okay.
So anyway, these are marked AA, and step 1, take bag AA, use these nuts or bolts, and then use the tool in CC. That can't get any more clear than that.
How high does it go?
There's 45 inches evidently.
Wow, that is really, you can just rest on it. I mean,
It says plug in the auxiliary cable. Which is this guy here. So that's what it. Before connecting this cable, you must first power on the desk to your desired location and raise to at least 35 inches. All right.
Done.
So what is height 1? All right, height 1 is 35 inches.
Okay.
If you'll take that strap and throw it in between the and then let's just push it back as far as it can go.
Okay. Yeah.
And this, maybe it just takes a second.
Oh, there it goes. It's charging.
So we put our new desk in. That came out of one of the feet, caused that hole on the ground. So what we're going to do, I've already heated this up. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it gouged into the floor pretty bad. So if you use wood glue, it'll fill in that hole, and then you put that on top of it, and you take a weight and put down on top and let it sit, and it'll repair your floor. We'll show you what it looks like after it's done. That's it. All right, so now the reveal. Can't even hardly tell it.
Yay!
I might have to put a little bit of pencil or something on that, but it's glued all the way down. It doesn't leave a seam, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught again. And you can barely tell it's there.
Alright.
So that's how you fix a vinyl floor. And if you use a desk that wasn't meant to be in an RV that shakes, rattles, and rolls, put Loctite on the screws so they don't wiggle out.